Hey bee fans, you probably recognize this hive. This has been here for a while and it's a nice sunny day, so they're really busy doing their thing. A lot of fanning going on. This one's out in the sun, so I would imagine they're getting quite warm inside. These are normally in the shade. And this is a bird box, it's not a honey box, it's on the side. That's a honey box, but it's not actually open to the inside. They do really like this location, even though, like I say, it's in the sun. It used to be in the shade this time of the day, but the trees that were here, they seem to have fallen over. Lots of really bright yellow pollen going in. So there you go.